Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making cachapas. We're going to start off with 4 cups of corn, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of rolled oats in powder form, and then 1 teaspoon of salt, and then 1 tablespoon of ghee and some sweetener, and I use stevia, and I just put 2 pinches in there, and then you're gonna blend everything. And then in a pan I'm gonna use avocado oil, and I had my pan at medium, a little bit towards medium high. The batch that I made makes about 6 to 7 cachapas, so I ended up making another batch. Each side takes about maybe 3 to 4 minutes to cook, and then once both sides are cooked, I just used shredded mozzarella cheese, and then I used both utensils to fold it, and then I cooked it for a little bit longer, maybe a minute on each side.